allows me to diffuse. At any point I want to strike, boom, I'll go fingers into the eyes. Straight, clap, eye gouger. Take them out as fast as possible. Right? Especially for the women. You're not going to kickbox your way out of it. You want to strike vital targets. I want to strike the eyes. I want to strike him in the throat. I want to strike him in the groin. Okay? Those are the 3 vital targets. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little drill. Come over here, put one leg forward. Put your hands up like this. Here. So this is like a little bit of a passive stance. So we're here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to grab the back of his neck. His job, go grab the back of my neck. Around. My hand's this. Go the other way. Hands are this. Go both hands. Around. So right now, right? So it's the same. Now I'm here. He doesn't know, but I'm here, here, here. I'm ready to strike, but my hands are always up. So this is a little drill to develop, to understand all the angles of attack. So what we're going to do is we're going to start very slow. And basically, my goal is to try to grab the back of his neck here, here, or with both hands. What we're going to do is we're going to go one at a time. We're going to go very light. So go, grab the back of my neck. Here, now it's my turn. Right? Back and forth. Wait, now it's my turn. Your turn. My turn. No, we're going back and forth. So I go, you go. My turn. My turn. Wait, my turn. My turn. Wait. My turn. No, your turn. My turn. Your turn. My turn. What are we doing? We're working on your flinch response. This is not like memorized. It's just, you know, learn, like your flinch response, bringing up your hands. Now, when you translate this in the street when I'm talking, I'm bringing my hands up here. That means if he goes to grab the back of my hand, whatever, my hand's already up. They're not down. I'm not caught off guard. I'm not turning around. I'm facing him. I'm looking at him. My hands are up. And at any point, I'm ready to strike, which we're going to see next. So what you're going to do is you're only going to go around. Now, again,